You can basically just type in one word in this box, click save, and you'll be paid $25 to $30. You can do it again and again and make money every single day from anywhere around the world. But you must set this up properly. I will explain to you exactly how to do it in this video. Signing up to this website is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money and you don't need any writing skills. You can even just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to type it yourself. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. This is the main platform which we will be using. This is the first website where you will go and create the simple videos with one single word. So you can type in one single word, and this website will create professional high-quality videos for you. And I'm going to show you how you can actually get paid $25 to $30 per video that you create. It says here the easiest way to make awesome videos. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor to do this. You do not need any editing skills for this. You do not need a camera, and you won't have to film anything, and you won't have to show your face. You just need to type in one single word, and you can repeat it again and again. And I will show you exactly how it works and how to get paid. Choose your favorite video template fully, customize it online, and watch them generate your video instantly. So you don't have to read around, which means you can start making money today. It can't get any easier than. It's just one single word and you can repeat it all over again. Now this is motionden.com. Follow each and every step of this video, and by the end, you will know exactly what to do and exactly how to make money. Now, first of all, on this homepage, I want you to click on the Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You can do so by either connecting your Facebook or your Google account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. But if you don't want to do so, you can just sign up with your email address and manually enter your details. I also recommend you to tick this box if you don't want to subscribe to their email list, which can sometimes be really boring, so I oftentimes don't really like to subscribe to those newsletters. You can easily sign up in less than 30 seconds. Now, once you sign on to MotionDen, it's going to allow you to browse all of these different video templates, which you can use to create professional-looking videos in just less than 60 seconds, and just by typing one single word. So here on the left-hand side, you can see that you can generate all these types of videos and all the different categories. You can create ads, animated videos. You can create videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, videos for Instagram, YouTube, intros, outros, and so on and so forth. And you have all these different templates, which you can browse, and they're highly professional. They are 3D high-quality templates, which you can easily use, and I will explain exactly how to do this. Now there is one specific service which we will be focusing on that is going to allow you to make $25 to $30 for a single word that you type. So what I want you to do is I want you to focus on either intros or outros. Forget about all these different categories for now. You want to focus only on intros and outros because that's the easiest one, and that is the one that will allow you to make $30 or more for a single word. So let's select intro templates, and it's going to give you some of them, which you can use. Let's browse and find something that's really interesting. For example, I will use this template just to show you how this actually works. So I will click on it, and to customize it, I just need to click on Edit this video. Once you come over to this page, all I have to do is click on this box, and I can type in that one word in this box. And I will show you what's going to happen once I type that one word. Let's say the word in this case is finance. Click Save, Make Video, and that's it now. It will instantly generate that video for you. And I'm going to show you how you can sell those type of videos for $25 to $30 again and again. Now, I'm also going to show you proof that it actually works because people are already making money every single day with this exact same strategy. So if you continue to the dashboard, you will be able to see that the video is now rendering. I just need to wait for a couple of seconds, and they have created for me, as you saw, that took only one single word to type in the box. And now I have already fully created high-quality intro from which I can make money from. So let's repeat that same process again, and let's choose a different template. You can go over to templates. You go either to intros or outros. Let's go to intros. First, you find a template which you really like this one right here. You just have to open it, like edit this video, and that takes you to the editing page. You can even add a logo if you want to. If not, just go straight to the text page. Click on the text box, type in a word, click Save, click Make Video, and that's basically it. That's all you have to do. And now you can make money from an additional platform, which I'm about to share with you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, now let's get back to the video. So, first of all, you can start using Quicken Gigs. This is a similar platform to Fiverr.com. This website is a freelancing website where millions of everyday people come to sell their services. Every single day, you have everyday people like me and you providing different services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they've partnered up with some massive companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. And this is only one of the many different freelancing websites which you can use. But the reason I'm sharing Quicken Gigs rather than Fiverr is because this is not as competitive as Fiverr. Fiverr has hundreds and thousands of people doing the same services. But here, there are not many people providing those services, and the demand is pretty high. There are a lot of buyers here, but there are less sellers, which means it's perfect for complete beginners. You can instantly join this website and potentially get lots of sales without being an established seller. If you search for intros and outros on this website, you will be able to see that people are providing these type of services. There are not a lot of people providing this service, but the ones that are providing the service intros and outros are already making money. As you can see, here is someone who does cool 3D YouTube intros for $30. Got over 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and not every person will leave a feedback, so he probably has more than 5 sales at a price of $30. And for you, that's going to take you just a single word to type in with Motion Den and sell it on Quicken Gigs. Again, this is a single platform where you can provide this service and sell intros and outros. You can also use websites like People Per Hour in here. If you type intro, you will be able to see more people providing this service. That's a total of 207 results, and they're all making sales. They're all making hundreds, if not thousands of sales. For example, this person got over 1,000 feedbacks, which means they've got over 1,000 sales for this intro service. You can even use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. It will cost you nothing to publish that gig, and if you get some sales, then great. If not, that's okay. You can still use other freelancing websites. So Fiverr does have a massive potential. You can see that people are selling those type of services for more money, like $35 and $45. So they have even higher packages, and they're getting hundreds, and in some cases, thousands of sales. So it does have massive potential, but the competition is really high on Fiverr. So I definitely recommend you try all the different freelancing websites. Don't just focus on one. Once you get a sale, you ask what they want to have an intro with, type it in this box. Click Save, click Make Video, and you click Continue to Dashboard. You wait until it generates the video, and you will be able to download it into your computer. Now, to download it without this watermark, you would need to pay $9 per video. But if you sell it for $35 and $40, then you will still get high profits, and you don't have to invest any money upfront. You can wait until you get a sale on those freelancing websites, and then use that money to pay $9 to Motion Den. So for $9, you get a video done in less than 60 seconds to make over $30, and you can do it again and again. And once you start making more and more sales and you see that you're already making some decent amount of monthly income, you can just invest like $39 a month for this unlimited plan, which will allow you to sell unlimited amount of videos. So you can sell 100 videos a month and you only pay $39 on Motion Den to do all of the hard work for you. So you can definitely leverage Motion Den and their templates easy to make professional videos just by typing one word in the box and then provide that service in other freelancing websites like Freelancer, TrueLancer, Fiverr Guru, People Per Hour, Quick End Gigs, and so on and so forth. And that is it. Before we go, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you on the next video.